guys, welcome to another video, math video this week, and today we will learn about solving for variables, for the value of each variable, but this time it will involve some radical sign. So let's go to number 1. Before that, I will give you the rules. So the rule is, I'll just write it in here, asterisk. So if you have an equal sign, so if you have square root here, if you will one, two, three, go. Hello guys, welcome to another video this week, and today we will learn about solving for variables. We will find the value of each variable there, but this time it has a radical expression. Okay, so it has a radical sign. So let's have number 1 first. So number 1, it has square root of x is equal to 10. So this is the first rule in doing this. Every time you can see a square root sign with x, we will need to okay, eyes here. We have talked about solving for a variable before, and we've learned that we will need to put all the variables on the left side, and on the right side would be the numbers, right? So this is the equal sign. So we will need to remove the square root symbol on the x. So what we will need to do is we will transfer the square root symbol on the other side. To do that, we will need to raise both sides squared. Why? Because square root naman siya 2 dire. If you raise this would be cancelled. Alright? So, mabili niya is x, and then this would become 100. So, this is the answer. And if you will do this checking, square root of x is equal to 10, then square root of 100 is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 10, because square root of 10 is equal to 100. So, that's the first rule. Now, what if cube root, sir? Then, if it is cube root of x is equal to, shall we say, 1000, then you will need to raise it to the power of 3. Why? It is because it is the only way that we can cancel the radical symbol on the left side. And the goal here is to just leave x as x, and all the rest of the numbers or the operations should be on the right side. So 1000 to the power of 3, you have 1, 2, 3. You have this. So that's the way to solve it. So let's go to the next rule, number 2. So if you have like this, square root of x plus 2 is equal to 5. So if everything is under one square root symbol, what you will need to do is you will need to raise that 1 to specific power, in this case squared, kay tabunan man siya tanan sa square root, cancel. So ang bilin niya is x plus 2 is equal to 25. 5 squared is 25. Next is, i-remove ni mo si plus 2. X plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 25 minus 2. Cancel. X is equal to 23. Alright. Let's have number 3. The number 3 is simple. X squared is equal to 8. So this time, bali sa number 1. So sa number 1, square root siya atong gi-squared para ma-cancel. Squared man ni siya, so atong i-square root. Okay? Cancel. Si x na lang mabilin, natay square root of 8. But we can still simplify this. So what we will do is, atong pangitaon ang prime factorization ni 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2. Magawas ng duha ka 2, okay? Square root man na siya. So we have 2 square root of 2. So this is our answer. Let's have number 4. Number 4 is x to the power of cube equals to 27. So again, what we will need to do is i-cube root na to siya both sides. Why? Kay cube man siya. Binalira gihapon. So cancel. Mabilin si x. What is cube root of 27? Okay. That would be 3. Why? Because 27 is cube root of 3 times 3 times 3. So, tulo sila. Pwede na ito ipagawa si 3. Ano siya? Okay. Last number, number 5. Number 5, if you notice, lahi si 1. Wala siya nalapot sa square root. Therefore, ibalhin na ito siya guna. So, square root of x is equal to 10 minus 1. Ibalhin na to si 1. So, square root of x is equal to square root of x is equal to 9. And then, what you will do? Square na to. So, we cancel. Si x mabilin dire. 9 squared, that is 81. So, this is the answer. Alright, so that is how we will solve for variables which involves radical symbol. Okay? So hopefully you can get good grades in our activities, and always be awesome. Be a math hero. Goodbye.